So, today we're going to learn about my new track bike. It's especially made for women. It's a 1.2. Okay, let's go check it out. There you go. Look at that sexy baby. It's a road bike, so it has really awesome shifting gears. And if you take a look over here, it's really easy to shift. So if you want to go somewhere and you don't, oh, let's stop. Oh, there you go. Can't go nowhere. And if you want to shift, just press to the left, to the right, then press that down, your gear shift. The whole bike in general is really light. It's about 20 pounds, which is from a typical like Walmart bike. It's usually around 60 or 70 pounds. So this is a deal breaker. Of course, it's more expensive. This is the saddle. There you go. Like I said, this bike is made for women, so it's more cushioning for women and their sexy booties. Anyways, yes. So it's more aligned with your hip, and you don't have to put a lot of pressure on your hand or lean over too much on the handrails over here. This is a, can you see that? 43 centimeters, so basically it's for girls who are under 5'2" or under 5, and I'm about 5 foot, so, well, exactly 5 foot, so yeah, this bike fits me perfectly. If you can see that, I took off the straps. They were annoying, so comes with straps. This is a little water bottle holder. Check out the wheels. I don't even know how to pronounce that. This is aluminum, and this is carbon fiber right here, which is super light. And same thing with the fork right here. It's super light. It's made from carbon fiber. Overall, I'm really pleased with this bike. It's a beginner's road bike, but yeah. So yeah, I'm really happy to have this bike. You guys should go purchase a bike. I'm hoping to do like long distance riding. So I'm gonna start off slow because this is my first bike and I want it to be special. So I'm gonna take it slow. Probably do like, I don't know, 3-4 miles a day, and then increase that through each week. And my goal for throughout the summer is probably go to like 50-60 miles. Who knows? That's it. Thanks.